How to configure custom or cloned voice for AI calls. Hey folks, in today's video, learn how to configure custom or cloned voice for AI calls. Let's jump in. Do you want your AI to sound like you? PreCallAI makes it simpler. Make sure you are connected with Elevenlabs in PreCallAI. If you don't know how you can integrate Elevenlabs with PreCallAI, then watch our video on our YouTube channel, or you can find the link in the description below. Go to Elevenlabs after sign in, go to Voices, then click on Add New Voice. You will see Instant Voice Clone and Professional Voice Clone. I am selecting an Instant Voice Clone. You can also upload your recorded voice or select Record Audio, then enter your name and record your voice. If you want to remove background noise, then select Remove Background Noise from Audio Samples. Then create labels and add description if you want. Then accept the terms and conditions below, and then click on Add Voice. Your voice clone created successfully. Go to Assistants from Call Platforms. When creating a new assistant, fill in all the company details in Step 1. You can choose the accent. Select your clone voice from Elevenlabs. And duration in minutes, and speed by turning on or turning off the recording if you want to store it. Selecting sensitivity, wait seconds, and then turn on or off your background sound. Also, add a voice note. This will only activate if the user fails to answer our call and it gets transferred to a voicemail. You can use your audio or record manually by adding a call opening message like hello, first name. Create the script from AI templates, HR pre-screening outbound, real estate seller inquiry, solar renewable energy, insurance policy sales, or generate the script through AI. Then click on Save. You can see the notification of Assistant created successfully. It is so simple. After this, use your custom voice for inbound or outbound calls. Make every interaction unique and professional. Now you know how to create a custom or cloned voice for your AI calls, making them more engaging and effective. Let me know in the comments which voice you prefer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips. Visit www.precallai.com.